Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing a collaboration with my friend Callie from 360Nails, and I will have a link for her channel down below. Callie got in touch with me and asked if I wanted to do a collab featuring 6 unique shimmer polishes. So I was really excited about this one because I've never done anything like that. So I have picked mine out, and today I'm going to be swatching them on a little nail wheel so you can see what they look like. I'm going to roll through them real quick and show you the polishes and tell you their names really fast. Now you can see this one is really old. It's down to here. I mean literally under the China glaze. This is a really unusual polish. It is called Rainbow. And it's a white. I had to add some thinner to it to make it. It's been sitting for a hot minute. But it's a white with a really strong pinky purple shimmer in it. And hopefully we'll be able to catch that either on the camera or on the swatch. The next one I have is from Simple Colors, and it's from the Sugar Crushing line, so it is a textured polish, and this one's called Sweet Tooth, and this is a pink shimmer with, a pink polish with orange, pink, and purple shimmer in it. It's just stunning. And then next up we have a finger paints. I did try to pick different polishes, different brands, and different colors from a big old collection. This one is called Vermilion Dollar Painting, and this one I got from Sally's, and it's orange with pink and orange and gold shimmer in it. Oh my. The next one is the only indie that I included in this, and this was the first one that popped in my head when she asked me to do this. And this is from Different Dimensions, and this one is a Shimmer Me box exclusive from years ago. And this is called Silence of the Lambs. Now this one is an orange polish with gold, green, and maybe like a teal shimmer in it. This polish is so unique. It's crazy. And next we have one from Color Club. Now this is a really old one. It's got the old black cap. And this one is like a teal blue green with gold shimmers in it. Oh, love it. And this one's called Ho Ho Holly. So I imagine this is probably from one of their Christmas collections many years ago. And the last one here is from Orly, and this one's called Purple Poodle. And this is like a fuchsia base with purple and blue shimmer in it. Oh my goodness. So I'm going to get my swatch all ready and get these caps open, and we're going to swatch these. Alrighty, first up is China Glaze Rainbow. Now this one's going to be really sheer looking on that first coat. And I am telling y'all, it has been some years since this polish got some love. So you might have to leave it out and play with it. It's so pretty. But you know it was a favorite if I've used up half the bottle. And I'm hoping you'll be able to see that purple pink shimmer in there. We'll do another coat to kind of darken it up a little bit. The next one is the Simple Colors, and this was the Sweet Tooth. And you guys know it, there had to be a pink in here. Had to be. And this one. And I do have a lot of polishes, but what I did was, first I thought about polishes I definitely wanted to use, and then I just started looking through my collection. And this one will build up really well in that second coat, so we'll come back to that. Next we've got Vermilion Dollar Painting. Look at that. Oh my goodness. And you may have polishes like these in your collection, and hopefully I'll remind you of them, and you can go pull them out and show them some love. So look at that. Oh my goodness. Definitely got that shimmer going on. The next one here is the Different Dimensions Silence of the Lambs. This is hands down one of my favorite polishes in my collection. I don't use it a whole lot because you know how we are about our special polishes. I do break it out on special occasions though. I try to wear it always at least once around Halloween. But, oh, the camera's just not going to do this one justice. It's just not. And I know it's not, but I had to use it anyway. Then we've got the Color Club, which is Ho Ho Holly. And I guess this one's kind of like a foily shimmer. It's definitely got a foil look to it, but oh, that shimmer's jumping out. Ho Ho Holly. Get a little light going on that. And then the last one is Purple Poodle. Oh, stunning. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'd forgotten how beautiful this was. Oh, lovely, lovely. Can't wait to see the second coat of that one. Look at that. Alrighty, we're going to go back and do our second coats. And this is how I do when I paint my nails. I start off with the first coat, and when I get done with my nails on one hand, I go back in with the second coat. That's how long I wait. So here we go with our second coat of Rainbow. This one is just not going to, I just know the camera's not going to be able to do it justice. In person, I can see all that purple and pink. I'm seeing like a really strong line like down the middle of it. There we go. Oh, good, good, good. Hopefully you can see that really well. And then next we're going to go in with our second coat of Sweet Tooth. Oh, I'm getting a little globby. Let's get that smoothed out. Sweet Tooth is just, oh, love it. And, you know, a lot of times I wear texture polishes with top coat because, you know, I prefer that smooth, glossy finish. But I can see those little bitty pink and purple and gold shimmers in there. It's just very, very nice. And I think they show up better even after the polish dries. Next, we're going to go in with the Vermilion Dollar Painting. And this one's like fire on the nails. Scorching hot. Look at that. Oh. Ooh. Yes, please. And then we're going to head on into our second coat of Different Dimensions. And this is, oh, I forgot. Silence of the Lambs. Oh, Lordy. I'm recording on Friday, so it's been a week. Here we go. I'm hoping you'll be able to see like that green. And sometimes you can get a little bit of blue flash in there. It's just so hard to get on camera. I'm just hoping you can see some of it. It's just beautiful. Beautiful. And then we've got our Color Club, which is Ho Ho Holly. Let's get a second coat of that on there. It's got these old skinny brushes. Not the worst of skinny brushes, but pretty bad. I'm not a skinny brush fan, but I am a fan of shimmer polishes, so. Oh, that one's just crazy gorgeous. Look at that. Oh, it's twinkling. It's so shimmery. Love it. Okay, I'm going to pause real quick because I'm going to shake up the Purple Poodle so that it's really mixed up good so we can get a good final coat. Alrighty, I didn't shake that one up really good before I got started, so I wanted to definitely get in there. Now this, of course, has that skinny brush that I'm not a fan of, and the formula on this one's a little thin, but I believe if you do it right, you could get away with 2 coats, if not 3, but they would be 3 easy coats. Not a problem with working with this one. Ugh. I'm in love with that one. It's showing up a lot more pink based than in real life. It's really a fuchsia with purple and blue shimmer running through it. So I'm going to top coat these and throw some swatch pictures at the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed this. Please head over and check out Callie's channel. She's always so kind and always remembers me and invites me to do collabs with her. I always have so much fun. She always I just love that she always remembers me. I get carried away and forget sometimes, so and I'm not much on inviting for collabs, but I'm down with doing them. So there are my 6 kind of unique shimmery polishes. Leave me a comment down below and let me know what some of your favorite shimmery polishes are. I would love to hear from you. So that is it for me today. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.